Their reaction was swift. Hours after Acting Interior CS Fred Matiang'i banned NASA demos in Nairobi, Mombasa and Kisumu CBDs. NASA leaders scoffed at the decision, saying they would not be intimidated into abandoning the demonstrations.
And our right to demonstrate, to tell the country that we are unhappy about the management of elections in this country is not something anybody can take away.
Matiang'i cited violence and looting by the protesters as one of the reasons for the ban. But NASA claims this did not meet the threshold for prohibiting lawful protests.
He did not at all mention that a police vehicle rammed into peaceful demonstrators, injuring some of them very badly. They are in hospitals, and our members of parliament have been to visit them. Mr. Matiang'i must therefore explain why the government handed over the security of Nairobi to the unauthorized, in quotes, Nairobi business community, which in fact we know is a criminal organization that was proscribed by the late George Saitoti.
According to NASA, demos will continue.
We are not at the benevolence or mercy of Mr. Matiang'i. He's not the first to try these misguided actions that he's trying to do. The misadventure will end nowhere. We will be on the streets tomorrow.
NASA MPs also vowed to stage demonstrations in Kisumu, Nairobi and Mombasa tomorrow.
So beginning Monday, we shall be on the streets peaceably from Monday all the way to Friday. For those who do not subscribe to the Seventh-day faith, we'll have to move it all the way to Saturday. And the Seventh-day Adventists will have to pick it up from Sunday.
Mr. Matiang'i, we sympathize with you. But please, don't take orders that will haunt you in future.
Mr. Matiang'i, you are not above the law, and you better know that you aren't. We tell you this for free.
Jubilee MPs, however, threw their weight behind the cabinet secretary, the MPs claiming that the NASA protesters had become a nuisance and the situation could worsen when they start holding daily demos next week.
As a die-hard Democrat, I fully believe that every Kenyan citizen has a right to demonstrate. But rights also have responsibilities. And I want to challenge our colleagues from the opposition to condemn the actions of their supporters.
We will engage the services of private legal firm to take to court and sue for damages and compensation.
With only 13 days left before the country heads to the October 26 repeat presidential poll, the National Super Alliance says it will defy orders by the government against the anti-IEBC demos, saying in fact they will be doing it every day from Monday to Friday. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV, Nairobi.